Hey guys, so the other day we did the first conditional, and today we're going to look at the second conditional. And coming very soon there will be the first, second conditional fight. I don't know. So today is the second conditional. And the conditionals are massively important, and at the end of this video you should have the second conditional clearer in your mind. It's something really important in my language. Conditionals make you sound much better. We listen for it in FCE, we listen for it in CAE, we really listen for it to see if you can use them. So, without further delay, the second conditional. The second conditional, it looks a little bit like this. It's if plus past simple and would plus infinitive. And quite often we can also use past continuous. We only use past simple or past continuous with the if part. We use the past perfect for another conditional. There's even more. And then after that we can use, after the comma we can use would, could, some of the kind of past modal verbs, let's put it that way. But most commonly it's would. And we call this little conditional the unreal conditional. So it's unreal, improbable, or impossible. Eesh. And we use it to describe a situation that we don't think is going to happen or is very unlikely to happen. So in my first lesson of the 30-day challenge, I talked about songs, particularly Beyonce, If I Were a Boy. If I were a boy, I would... Beyonce sings this. Beyonce is not a boy, and it's almost impossible that she would be. Sure, there's surgery, but it's probably not going to happen, right? So she uses the second conditional because it's not likely that one day she's going to wake up a boy. She's not going to be like, good night. And then in the morning, oh my God, what happened? Oh, I'm gonna, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, Beyonce. Don't panic. Call me if you're worried. No. So the point of the second conditional, we use it for something that we don't think is going to happen, something that is unrealistic, unlikely, very, very improbable. So the second conditional is for things that are completely unrealistic, unlikely, like, sadly, you're not likely to win the lottery. If I won the lottery, I would give you all some money. If I won billions on the lottery, I need to stipulate, because if I win £10, I'm not going to give you all £10. Well, I'll be bankrupt. But if I won the lottery, I would give you, if I won millions on the lottery, I would give everybody, I'd give so much money to people to help them. And I would do a lot of good, hopefully, in the world. That's what I would try to do. Sadly, it's not likely that I'm going to win the lottery, so I'd say if I won, not if I win. So I think it's unlikely. So maybe as well, we look out of the window and there is a desert. I don't know why there'd be a desert, because I don't live near a desert, but okay, we're in the middle of the Atacama. Let's go there. So we look out of the window, it's a dry, dry day. And I say, well, if it rained today, I would take an umbrella. It's probably not going to rain unless there's a miracle, or I've misunderstood geography for years about deserts. I don't know. So the second conditional is for very unlikely things. Now, notice I say, if it rained today, I would take an umbrella. The second conditional, people get very confused about this because the grammar says if plus past simple, if plus past continuous. But the actual form is talking about the future. You see, it's improbable. So it's if plus past simple or past continuous, but it's talking about the future. If it rained tonight, if I won the lottery next week, it's talking about the future, not about the present, not about the past. Not about the past. Okay, so it's talking about the future. And we also use this conditional for giving advice. If I were you, I would. So if you come to Belo Horizonte, if I were you, I would visit Praça da Liberdade. It's a square near my house. It's a square in the middle of Belo Horizonte. It's a beautiful square. I would visit Inyuchin, which is some kind of arts park in Belarus. Very cool, very cool. So the second conditional, that's what we use the second conditional. Something in the future, or something in the future that is unrealistic, unlikely to happen. This is how we use the second conditional. I really hope this video helped. In the near future, I'm going to be doing a first versus second conditional fight, so you can see all the differences. But this video is just to teach you the form. And remember, it's the same thing again. If plus past simple, past continuous, comma, would, but if you flip it round, would, no comma. So if first, comma, if second, no comma. I hope this video helps, and check out these other two videos. Hopefully there's the next one about the first versus second conditional fight. But if there isn't, find it. It's on my channel, or it will be, hopefully. But I hope this video really, really helped, and I really enjoyed making it. And if I could, I would make 1 million more. But I don't have the time. Not at the moment. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, but I will be. Have a great day.